everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Connect. In this video, we are going to learn how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for AR educational apps. So I have a business of augmented reality educational apps, and I'm also running an ad campaign for my business on my Facebook page. And now I want that as soon as a new lead will be generated for my business through Facebook lead ads, automatically the details of that same lead should be added in my Google Sheet so that I will be able to create a record. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to set up a connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets, and that we are going to do without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. So here Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, trigger and action. So in trigger we are going to take Facebook lead ads, and in action we are going to take Google Sheets, and we will connect both of them in order to automate this entire process with the help of Pabbly Connect. And to learn the entire automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to add Facebook leads in Google Sheets for AR educational apps business. So I have a business of augmented reality educational apps, and I provide different kinds of applications for augmented reality, that means of 3D learning. And I'm also promoting my business with the help of Facebook lead ads. I am running an ad campaign on my Facebook leads. And now my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead for my AR educational app business, automatically that same lead should be added in my Google Sheets. So to automate this entire process, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. Here I'm going to set up a connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets without any coding or programming skills, and that too within minutes. So this is the home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by tapping this URL pabbly.com/connect. After coming here, we can find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So if you are an existing user, you can directly click on sign in, but if you are a new user, you have to click on the sign up for free button to create your free new account. Also, when you will create your account, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. So as an existing user, I'm directly clicking on sign in. This is the all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where we can find all the workflows which we have created. And we can also create folders here to save our workflows accordingly. Okay. Now to create a new workflow, we have to click on this create workflow option, which is given on right corner. Let's do that. And here a dialog box will appear in front of us. It is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let us provide a name over here. Add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for AR educational apps. After giving the name, I'm going to select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So I'm going to select this Facebook Marketing Automations folder, and now let's click on Create. As we've done that, we can find that two windows are open in front of us. So as I already told you that Pabbly Connect works on trigger and actions. So these two are the main concepts on which the entire automation runs. The trigger says when this happens, and the action says do this. That means the action is the response to the trigger. Whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can have multiple actions as we want. Now let's suppose we are going to take Facebook lead ads in our trigger and Google Sheets in our action. And we want that whenever a new lead will be generated for our AR educational apps business, automatically the details of that lead should be added in Google Sheets. So clearly we can find that action is following what the trigger commands, because when the trigger happens, that means when the lead is generated, then only the details are added in Google Sheets, otherwise not. So after understanding this concept, let's start creating the workflow step by step. First of all, you will select our trigger application over here, and that is Facebook lead ads. So we have selected the trigger application. Now we have to select the trigger event. Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger or start. So new lead instant will be our trigger event, because we want that whenever a new lead will be generated from Facebook lead ads, the response should be captured over here, and with that response the workflow should get triggered. So let's quickly click on connect. And now from the given options, I'm going to select add new connection to build a new connection with my Facebook lead ads account. If you already have an existing connection, you can also go with that. We'll simply click on connect with Facebook lead ads. Let's select the account. And here our authorization has become successful. So because I was already logged into my Facebook account, the authorization has become successful very easily. And now Facebook lead ads is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. So let's move further. Here we have to select the page and the lead gen form after building the connection. So the name of my page is Wonderscope. So I'm going to go back towards Pabbly Connect, and here I'm going to select Wonderscopes, that is the page name. And after selecting our page, we also have to select the lead gen form. So to promote my business, I have also created a lead gen form with the help of Facebook lead ads. And now I want that whenever a lead is going to submit that form, the response of that lead should be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so I'm going to select the lead gen form which I have created with the name as Wonderscopes contact form. I have selected that, and now let's click on save and send test request button to capture the response. As we have done that, we can find that it has started showing waiting for webhook response. This means that now we have to do a test submission by submitting the form which we have selected over here. For doing that, I'm going to take you towards Meta for Developers, and now we have to go towards more options over here. Under this, we can find the option of tools. Let's select that. and it has taken us towards developer tools. Now here under other developer tools, we will find the option of lead ads RTO debug tool. Let us select that, and it has taken us towards lead ads testing tool. So basically with the help of this lead ads testing tool, we are going to test our integration between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So we will simply select our page and the form, and as soon as we will submit the form over here, the response will be captured in Pabbly Connect. So let's do that. Here I'm going to select my page, Wonder Scopes. And after this, we have to select the form. So my form is already selected over here. We will simply click on preview form button to open the form and submit it. But before that, it is given that you can create one lead per form. You will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So basically, we are doing a test submission over here. Therefore, first of all, in order to submit a form, we have to delete an existing lead from that form. So in case if you are using any existing form, you have to first of all delete the existing lead by clicking on this delete lead button. And then you have to refresh the page so that a new form could be open in front of you. Now I'm going to click on this preview form button directly because this is my new form which I have recently created, and here the form is open in front of us. So I'm going to quickly add the details in this particular form to submit it, and because I'm doing a test submission, therefore I'm going to enter all the dummy details. Let's start with the email. Here I'm going to enter a random email, dummyuser@pabblytools.com. Here I'm going to enter a full name, dummy user, and here I'm going to enter a phone number. So basically this is a contact form with the help of which I want to connect with my leads further. When I will receive the details of my lead, I want to create a record of that lead in my Google Sheets, and then further I will send them WhatsApp message related to the discount offers which I want to provide them, as well as festive or birthday wishes. Alright, now I'm going to click on next to submit this form, and here we will simply click on submit. As we have done that, let's go back towards Pabbly Connect, and here we will wait for a few seconds. And we can find that we have received the response over. As soon as we have submitted the form in lead ads testing tool, here is the response. That means our connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is successful. So once you will set up this connection, whenever a new lead will be generated by submitting the form you have created, the response of that real lead will be captured here in Pabbly Connect. Okay. And now our objective is to add this lead in our Google Sheets. So we will connect our Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So this is the spreadsheet which I have prepared with the name as leads data. I am going to add the details of my Facebook leads in this particular spreadsheet, row by row, and that too automatically. So first of all, we have to connect this same spreadsheet with Pabbly Connect. Let's move further, and we will move towards our action step. In our action application, we will simply select Google Sheets, and our action event here will be add new row, because we want that whenever a new lead will be generated, the response should be captured over here, and then the same response should be added in our Google Sheets in a new row. Let's click on connect. From the given options, I am going to select existing connection, as I've already built a connection with my Google Sheets account. To create a new connection, you have to click on this add new connection button, and then you have to click on sign in with Google. Alright, let's click on save. And with this, we can find that Google Sheets is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. So let's move further. Here I will quickly select my spreadsheet name, that is leads data. And as soon as we have selected the spreadsheet name, we can find that sheet name is also selected over here as sheet 1. Now we have to enter name, email, and phone number, the details of the leads which we have received. So we will quickly map the data by using our previous response. Mapping is inserting data from previous step. Here our previous step is given, and here are all the details. So what we want to map the name. Let's select that and done. So when we have mapped this data, it has become dynamic. That means now with each and every new response, it is going to be replaced. So now whenever a new lead will be generated from Facebook lead ads for our AR educational application business, automatically this name is going to be replaced. And apart from this, all the details which we are going to map are going to be replaced. And in this way, we are going to create this automation of adding the details of each and every Facebook leads in Google Sheets without any manual efforts. Okay, but in case if we'll enter it manually by copy and pasting, then it would have become static, and then it is not going to change with each and every new response. Therefore, to automate the entire process, we have used mapping over here. Now quickly we will map the email in the same manner. This is the email of the lead. We have mapped that, and now at last we will map the phone number as well. So after mapping all the details, let's click on save and send test request button. And here we can find that we have received the response. So let's go and check whether the data is added in Google Sheets or not. And yes, here we can find that the data is automatically added over here, name, email, and the phone number. This means that the connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets is perfectly successful, and we have completed this workflow successfully. So we will simply summarize what we have done here in the workflow. We have taken two simple steps, trigger and action. In trigger, we have taken Facebook lead ads, and in action, we have taken Google Sheets. And we have connected both of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that now whenever a new lead will be generated for our AR educational app business, automatically the lead details will be added in Google Sheets, and that too instantly. And we have not used any kind of coding or programming skills while creating this workflow. It is done very easily within minutes with the help of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so you can very easily create this automation, and you can also use the same automation workflow. I'm going to attach the link of this workflow in the description of the video. Okay, this was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can directly reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask any pricing related issue, then you can directly reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe our channel to learn more such automations.